Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and I'm going to conduct a commentary drive around Maroochydore back to the transport department. I'm in a light rigid vehicle. I'm currently on Maroochydore Street, and in front of me I've got a staggered intersection. So first of all, I'm going to depart the curb. I've got a car coming up at the moment, so just while we're waiting for that, we can look up ahead and see the staggered. I don't make a full turn to the right or the left when I do the staggered. I'm just checking, 5 seconds notice on the indicator, just moving out. So I come up Maroochydore Street, and I'm actually going into Maroochydore Street over the other side. I've got a give way line here. So I'm just looking up and down the road, making sure it's all clear. I've got no indicator on, and I'm just cutting across into Maroochydore. No signalling required in such instances. Now I'm following Maroochydore. I've got some traffic parked on the left and right side of the road. So I'm just making sure I leave about 1.2 meters from the cars on my left. Okay, there's a red car on the right, so I'm just coming back over to my side of the road a little bit more. That's it, nice and steady, back around the back streets of the residential area. Again, no markings on the road, so I'm just coming back over to the left again. And in front of me I've got a give way sign. I've got a bicycle storage area and a bike lane on the left, and they're painted green section, so I'm sitting to the right of the lane, looking up and down the road. It's quite busy here. If I was coming from the other side of the road, I'd get a stop sign, but this side, it's a give way. Got a bit of a flow of traffic coming through. I'm just making sure that there aren't any bicycles who want that bike storage area.
Bicycle storage areas. A bicycle storage area is a section of the road before an intersection with traffic lights where you can wait for the traffic lights to change in front of the stopped vehicles. A bicycle storage road area will have painted bicycle symbols be between two parallel stop lines and may be painted green. Bicycle and motorcycle riders are allowed to cross the first stop line to enter the bicycle storage area, but must stop at the second stop line at a red traffic light. Motor vehicles other than motorcycles must stop at the first stop line. A bicycle rider may choose to enter a bicycle storage area from a bicycle lane. When you enter a bicycle storage area, you must give way to anyone that is already in the bicycle storage area. Give way to any vehicle that is entering the area on a green or yellow traffic light.
Okay, I can see a gap coming. I'm pushing forward, looking up and down the road, still clear. Yep, I'm on Wrigley Street, crossing over. Again, no signalling required. Stay out of the bike lane, and away we go. Following the road, staying on our side of the road. There's a yellow bicycle symbol painted on the road, so I'm actively looking for bicycles. I've got a couple of blue cat's eyes in the middle of the road, using those as a reference point for my road positioning. I'm following the road, scanning right and left, right again, just making sure that everyone behaves themselves, just allowing this vehicle to come through here. Yep, they're through safely, so I'm going to just take a little bit more of the road. Okay, I've got that guy driving down the middle of the road, so I'll go back over to the left. Okay, following the road, looking for overhanging trees on the left. We've cleared those. Mirror checks. We've got a white vehicle behind us, about 200 meters. Up ahead, we've got more trees, so just sit out a little bit so I don't clip any of them. We've got a person on the road mowing, scanning the side streets. My bar is clear. Yep, all good. Looking up ahead, we've got a set of traffic lights. Okay, here comes this person with the mower. I'm just sitting out from them. They've seen me, I've seen them. Left indicator to let the person behind me know I'm turning left. I'm going to stay out of the bike lane. The arrows on the road so I can go left, right, or straight ahead. We are wanting a left turn. And I'm sitting just behind the stop line, clear of the green bicycle storage area. And I'm waiting for the lights to change. They're red at the moment. While I'm waiting at the lights, I'm just seeing if there's any pedestrian activity around. Left mirror checks. I've got a good little blind spot mirror on my left side on the truck that I had I actually added that on. I just got that from one of the retailers. I've got one on the right as well, and it gives me a nice fishbowl view for my blind spot. Okay, looking up ahead, the lights are green. We've adopted the road positioning, scanning right and left for any vehicles, all clear. Scanning for bicycles, all clear. Mirror checks, still got the white car behind me. Yep, still got the white car behind me. Checking side streets, checking in case that there's anyone that throws a door open from that red vehicle. Checking the driveway, all clear. Side streets and Comstar Avenue clear. Staying inside the 2 white lines. Mirror checks, still got the white vehicle behind me, about 2 seconds. Checking driveways, checking the bus stop is clear. Coghlan Street to the right is clear. Got a yellow and black warning sign up ahead telling me that there's a roundabout coming up, so I check my mirrors. Okay, that white car's dropped off. I'm going to take the second exit at the roundabout. So what I do is give way to all vehicles on the roundabout. I'm coming in nice and steady. I'm in an automatic vehicle, so it's gearing down. I'm all clear, so I'm pushing out onto the roundabout. I'm scanning left and right, checking my back wheels are okay from the curb. On the right, now checking my back wheels on the left. Left indicator to depart the roundabout. Moving up, checking the speed sign. We've got a 60 zone. Got a white vehicle turning right up ahead. I'm slowing down, I can't fit, so I won't go. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay, the pathway's clear. I'm moving on. Mirror checks for what's behind. Just letting the vehicle gear up. There we go. Moving with the flow of the traffic. Looking up ahead for any more turning vehicles. Scanning to the sides. Yep, still clear. Watching for doors being thrown open on my left. All good. Checking the side street. Centenary Crescent, clear. Checking the mirrors. I've got a white vehicle behind me about half to 1 second behind. So I'm monitoring their behaviour, making sure the driver's paying attention. Okay, that driver's turned off. I've got another white vehicle behind me about 2 seconds now, so I've got a little bit more buffer from behind. Okay, staying inside my lane. Mirror checks to the right. I'm inside the white line. Again, watching for doors being thrown open, checking driveways. We're going up to the roundabout up ahead, and I'm looking at the big green sign to indicate which direction I want to go into. I'm going to adopt the right lane, so I need a lane change because I'm crossing this broken giveaway line. Indicate right, mirror checks. Crossing into the right lane. We've got a bike storage area up ahead. I've got to give way to all vehicles on the roundabout. No bicycles, moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. Okay, committed and clear. You need to keep an eye out for commercial vehicles. Okay, all clear, green arrows, scan, scan, scan. Monitoring vehicles for road position, check my right mirror for my back wheels, they're clear. Look for doors being thrown open. Check driveways. Check the mirror, I've got a vehicle following me. Make sure I'm on my side of the road. There is a bit of a crack in the middle of the road I can use as a guide. Look through the corner. Got a bit of a limit point there, so I'm just going to ease off the accelerator. Just make sure I have a clean path before we commit to a situation. Vehicle turning to the right. Clear up ahead. Just taking it nice and steady in the industrial estate. Sometimes you get heavy vehicles and forklifts, etc. moving out on the road here, making deliveries and unloading. Just taking it nice and steady, looking through the corner. We're going to take a right turn up ahead. Halfway clear. We've got some pedestrian activity around, but they're all up on the curb. Right indicator. We're going to Kelly Court. So coming in slow with the white vehicle coming up towards me. It's all clear. Got enough space to get around there before the red vehicle arrives, so they won't have to slow down or deviate. We're following the road. Now we're going to just meander around to the right and go into the driveway here at the Transport Department. You can see it's a 10 km/h shared zone, and it's a one-way, denoted by the big white painted arrow on the road. And there's learner parking bays. It's a 10 km/h speed zone, so I'm just going to indicate, mirror check, light over, and just pull up just off the curb here with a complete stop.